Hello, today we are going to be multiplying binomials. In your notebook, this is section 8.2. The title is Multiplying Binomials, and it should be on page 72. All right, let me get my computer situated here. Okay, here we go. All right, in order to multiply, remember what a binomial means. It means that it has two terms. So if you look at this first set of parentheses, there are two terms in there, and the second set of parentheses has two terms. So they're each called binomials, and we're going to multiply. It's actually pretty easy. All we have to do is distribute twice. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this first term and we're going to distribute it here, and then we're going to distribute it here. So that's the first time we distribute. Then we're going to distribute a second time. We're going to take this and distribute it here, and then distribute it here. Once we've done that, we're going to combine like terms, and we're going to have our answer. Okay, so here we go. Take the first one. All right, we're going to distribute twice. We're going to distribute here, and we're going to distribute here. All right, let's go ahead and do that part first. Okay, so x times x is x squared, and x distributed to the positive 8 is a positive 8x. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to distribute a second time. We're going to distribute the 5 to the x, and we're going to distribute the 5 to the 8. All right, when we distribute the 5 to the x, we get a positive 5x. Then we distribute the positive 5 to positive 8, we get a positive 40. Okay, now what we're going to do is we just have to combine like terms. And if you notice, the only two like terms we have are right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to combine those together. So we're going to have an x squared. 8x plus 5x is 13x. And then we have positive 40. And we have just multiplied two binomials by distributing twice. Okay, let's try another one. Let's go to the one, underneath. All right, so we're going to distribute this 2x twice. We're going to distribute it to the 3x, and we're going to distribute it to the 4. All right, 2x times 3x is 6x squared, and then the 2x times a positive 4 is a positive 8x. So we get plus 8x. All right, now we're going to distribute a second time. We're going to distribute the negative 1 to the 3x and the negative 1 to the 4. Always take the sign in front. We've got to make that a negative 1. So negative 1 times 3x is a negative 3x, and negative 1 times 4 is a negative 4. All right, now all we have to do is combine any like terms that we have. We have some like terms right here. So we're going to go ahead and combine those together, and then we're going to have our answer. So we're going to have 6x squared, 8x minus 3x is a negative 5x, so that means minus 5x, and then a minus 4. And we have our solution. All right. If you want, pause the video and try this third one on your own. If not, you can do it with me. Okay, here we go. We're going to distribute the first time. We're going to distribute the x to the x squared. X times x squared is x cubed. Remember, there's a little 1 right there, so you have to add exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. X times a minus 3x is a minus 3x squared. All right, we're going to distribute a second time. We're going to distribute the 2. The 2 is going to go to both. 2 times x squared is a positive 2x squared. And 2 times a minus 3x is a minus 6x. Okay, we're going to look for any like terms we might have. Okay, so I do see that we do have some like terms. Again, we have these two right here. They both have x squared, so they're like terms. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to combine those together. So our final answer is x cubed. A negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is a negative 1x squared. But remember, you don't have to write the 1. And then we have a minus 6x. 6x. Okay, if you have not tried one on your own by pausing the video yet, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to try the last one. Okay, here we go. Let's see if you got it right. We're going to distribute twice. We're going to go, first time, we're going to distribute the 4x. 4x times 2x, oops, I don't know why that's there. 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times a negative 7, that's a negative 7, the minus 7 is a negative 7, is negative 28x. Okay, we're going to distribute a second time. We're going to distribute that negative 2. That negative 2 is going to go to both. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And this is where you have to be careful. A negative 2 times a negative 7. We have a negative times a negative is a positive 14. All right, we have some like terms we can combine. So our final answer is going to be 8x squared minus negative 28 minus 4 is negative 32x. And then we have a plus 14. All right, remember, I want you guys to, if you can, print this out. Hopefully you printed it out. I want you to cut it out, put it in your notebook. This is section 8.2, Multiplying Binomials, page 72. All right, guys, miss you. Hope everyone's staying safe. Bye.